Hi guys, in this short video, I am going to tell you that how you can easily follow someone on Pinterest. So that's quite simple. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So first of all, you will have to simply open the Pinterest application. Then if I simply scroll down and for example, I simply click on it, the car image. Now let's find a better one. For example, I click on this quote, I think no. So let's find a better one. So I click on this cat video. Now you can see this is created by a channel known as Beautiful World that has 37K followers. Simply click on it and open this account. Now you can see there is a red button of follow. Simply click on it and now you have successfully followed this account. Now below this account you can see there is a list of a lot of accounts and you can go through this list and these creators will be related to the account that you just followed that has 37,000 followers. So that's how you can easily follow someone on Pinterest